here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really so happy to be back, guys. Thank you so much to everyone who's been waiting for me to upload a new video. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it a lot. And also, I'm so sorry because I wasn't able to upload a video last week. It was because I have a lot of things going through my mind lately that I just need to deal with myself. And one of the reasons why is because I am struggling a lot to finish this video because I thought I have all the complete materials that I need to finish this one, which, well, anyway, I have finished the video. That is why I'm so excited to share this thing to you, because in this video I am going to share to you different ways and how to upgrade your old boring jeans at home. So what are you waiting for, guys? Set up, go to your wardrobe and get your old jeans up. Come on, thrift with me, guys. Don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. It's at christianme19 because I would be so happy seeing you thrifting with me. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to keep you updated whenever I post a new video. Let's go and let's get started.
So this is the first jeans that we are going to use, and I would strongly recommend to use jeans with wider legs for better results. The first thing to do is to cut out the sides of the jeans. And now I have these old pants with me, which I am going to take off the sides because we are going to attach this to the sides of the jeans that we just cut earlier. You can use any pants you have at home. And now it's time to attach this to the sides of the jeans. We are now down to the second upgraded jeans in this video, and you can use any type of jeans you have at home. Just like the first one, I just cut the sides of the jeans. And now I have these two strips of fabric with me, which I am going to use to attach to the sides of the jeans, and you can use any color of fabric as you want. Now that we are done, we are just going to make a slit at the sides of the jeans, so we are going to measure how long the slit you want it to be. this point, I have these 4 strips of black fabric with me, which I am going to use to attach to the sides of the jeans just to add a little bit of style. For our last upgraded jeans, we need a waterline of jeans because we are going to make a cargo jeans. The first thing to do is to cut the bottom hem of the jeans because we are going to make a new hem that is bigger and wider enough for the elastic band to get in. For our next step, out from an excess fabric of jeans you have at home, we are going to make side pockets for the cargo jeans. This time I am just going to measure where I am going to put the side pockets of the jeans. As you can see, I ripped out the sides of the jeans, but not totally whole, just the area where I want to put the side pockets. It's because if I won't do this, I will struggle a lot in sewing. But if you guys do the hand sew, then you don't have to do this. Since this jeans is totally big for me, so I'm just going to put an elastic band in this area. At this point, this is totally optional. I just want to add a little bit of style to the jeans. But if you guys want to do this, then you can do it.
hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button below and also subscribe to my channel. And also I want to take this opportunity to thank you all because we just reached 1,000 subscribers and I'm really so blessed and grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you for your never-ending love and support to me. Thank you so much, guys. Till my next video, guys. Bye. I love you.